Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we'll be replacing a sensor on a GMC Acadia. So I'm just covering up the info, that way it's not exposed. But here's the part number, it's OEM 25912943. And this is the sensor right here. What you're going to need is a 7mm and fire tool. Alright, so now that we go underneath the dash, it's 3 grommets. I'll be using the pliers because my pry tool was too long. So we're going to take out the 3 at the bottom. Alright, so here's the sensor held by one 7mm bolt. So I'm going to set it down and we're going to proceed to remove it. Replacing the sensor, the pedal travel sensor, You doing alright? That's good. Alright, so now that I got the bolt out, I'm going to take out the socket. It's a little black tab. And then now we're going to reconnect our new one. And then we're going to slide the little slit to right here where my finger's pointing. Make sure it's right in between. And then the black tab that's sticking out on the back side, you want to make sure it goes into the hole. So I'm going to try to line this up real quick. Alright, it's not going to work with it plugged in, so I'm going to take it out real quick. Alright, now that I got this connected, I can show you a little bit better. So this black tab goes right into this hole right there, and then the bottom goes to the bottom hole. Alright, so now that I got it lined up, I'm going to put the push out right here, and then I'll proceed to reinstalling the 7mm bolt on the back side and tighten it. And now that we got the bolt re-secured, we're going to reconnect the sensor. And now we're going to put the little cover back underneath. So the little slit slides right in between there. Like so. And then we're going to push it up and reinstall the grommets. Alright, so that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.